make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
It's just not very common. Ran stop sign. Prick hole mother. Wonder what he did.
Six hours a day, 5 days a week. Time with your kids. Frank's in charge of that one. Don't you should listen to me. Okay, but stop it. It's wild because I don't think.
Oh, good.
I always find it weird how you're gonna run the red. Wow, Jesus Christ! Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, you got, buddy. You got. Oh, that's hilarious. I got that on video too.
Okay, so you're on South Yukon Highway. You have a cross street or anything like that you're near?
Yeah, the guy has a weapon in his car. He just flashed a weapon.
Okay. Where at on Route 13? That's what I need to know. Where are you right now?
Right now I'm on near the Delaware Auto, where they do the auto auction.
Okay, so you're on Beach Basket Road. What is your name?
My name is Sean. He just broke my rear wheel window too as well.
What's your last name?
Brown. I'm following him so you can get his so I can get you his license plate.
Okay, you're not go chasing after him.
Well, I want to make sure you get his license plate. I'm gonna give you his license plate right now. Hold on. It's a Delaware tag PC 565741. It's a white Dodge Durango.
Okay, stop following the vehicle.
Yep.
Literally was zoned out. You know what I mean? Oh my God, did you just see that? He went to pass that guy and then these cars are... You did? That's what you got, Karma! I have a dash cam. I could maybe... Yeah, it's a who? What'd you say? Karma cop. Oh.
Get him! Get his ass!
On record, there's so many annoying, offbeat, intentionally ugly moments.
Look at that. Maybe he's gonna get both of them.
On some at Parkway Beach is what
Thank
we
you.
all want. To go out surrounded by universe instead. You know, lays out the best.
Uh-oh. No, he wants somebody right for that way.
Oh, they didn't see him sitting there. Him, guess what? Dad's probably going home. Yep. Dummy.
It's okay, Dad. Just come up to my room and talk to me.
Oh, what happened? Oh, why did that guy run the red light? Did you see that?
That was so stupid.
Why did he do that?
That was so dumb.
Was he just not thinking? What the heck?
The Bob and Tom Show. Are your wiper blades streaking or smearing? Do you need new wiper blades but not sure which ones are right for you? The professional parts people at O'Reilly Auto Parts can help. They can recommend options for your vehicle. Right now, save $10 per pair on Bosch Focus wiper blades so you can see better and
Mark Zuckerberg designed to engage with employees.
Haji got pulled